Online banking has completely changed how Americans manage their money. No branches, no lines, no outdated hours, just your phone and full control over your finances. But not all online banks are created equal, and picking the wrong one can cost you in hidden fees and missed interest. Also, check the affiliate links in the description below. Clicking them helps the channel grow at no cost to you. Let's break it down. Starting us off at number 5 is Ally Bank. If you've spent any time looking into online banking, Ally is probably one of the first names you came across. They've been a pioneer in the digital banking space and have built a strong reputation over the years. What makes Ally a solid choice is that they offer a full banking experience without any monthly maintenance fees. Their checking account has no minimums, no overdraft fees, and you get access to over 43,000 fee-free ATMs through the Allpoint network. For everyday banking, that's everything most people need. Their savings account is where things get interesting. Ally consistently offers one of the higher annual percentage yields among online banks. Your money actually grows while it sits there, which is something most traditional banks can't say. They also have a feature called Savings Buckets that lets you organize your savings into different goals within one account, which is a nice touch for people who like to stay organized. Ally also offers investment accounts, CDs, and even a cashback credit card, so you can keep a lot of your financial life under one roof. The reason they land at number 5 is that their customer service, while generally good, can be slow during peak hours. And because they have no physical branches, if you ever need in-person help, that option simply doesn't exist. But for a well-rounded online banking experience, Ally is a dependable choice. At number 4, we have Marcus by Goldman Sachs. The Goldman Sachs name carries serious weight in the financial world, and Marcus is their consumer banking arm, designed for everyday Americans who want a simple and rewarding place to save. Marcus is known primarily for its high-yield savings account, and for good reason. Their rates are consistently among the best in the country. If your main goal is to park your money somewhere and let it earn as much interest as possible, Marcus makes that very easy. There are no fees on their savings accounts, no monthly charges, no minimum deposits, and no transaction fees. It's as straightforward as it gets. You put money in, it grows, and you don't get nickeled and dimed along the way. Marcus also offers no-fee CDs with competitive rates and no penalty CD options that let you withdraw early without losing your earned interest. That flexibility is great for people who want a better return than a savings account but don't want to feel locked in. Where Marcus falls short is in the range of services. They don't offer a checking account, which means you'll need a separate bank for your daily spending and bill payments. There's also no mobile check deposit, and the app, while clean, is pretty basic compared to some competitors. If you're looking for a full-service online bank, Marcus isn't it. But if you want one of the best places in America to grow your savings with zero fees, they absolutely deliver. Coming in at number 3 is Capital One 360. This is one of the most complete online banking platforms in the country, and it manages to combine the convenience of digital banking with some of the perks of a traditional bank. Capital One 360 offers a full lineup: checking accounts, savings accounts, CDs, money market accounts, and credit cards. Their 360 checking account has no fees, no minimums, and comes with a debit card that works at over 70,000 fee-free ATMs. That's one of the biggest ATM networks of any online bank, which is a real advantage for people who still use cash regularly. Their savings account offers a competitive yield, and like Ally, they let you create multiple savings accounts to organize your money into different goals. It's a small feature, but it makes managing your finances a lot easier. What gives Capital One 360 an edge over some other online banks is that they also have physical Capital One cafes in select cities across the US. These aren't traditional branches. They're more like modern workspaces where you can grab a coffee, use the Wi-Fi, and get help with your banking if you need it. It's a nice middle ground between fully online and fully traditional. Their app is one of the best in the business. Clean design, easy navigation, and packed with features like spending insights, automatic savings tools, and instant money transfers. Everything works smoothly and without unnecessary complexity. The downside is that their savings rates, while competitive, aren't always the highest available. And the Capital One cafes are only in certain cities, so that perk doesn't apply to everyone. But for a full-service online banking experience with great tools and wide ATM access, Capital One 360 is tough to beat. At number 2, we have Discover Bank. Most people know Discover for their credit cards, but their online banking products are quietly some of the best in the country. The Discover Cashback debit account is the standout here. It's one of the only checking accounts in America that gives you cash back on your everyday purchases. 1% back on up to a set amount each month. No other major online bank offers that on a debit card. If you use your debit card regularly, that cash back adds up over the course of a year. Their savings account offers a highly competitive yield with no monthly fees, no minimum balance, and no minimum opening deposit. Same goes for their CDs, which come in a wide range of terms so you can pick exactly what works for your timeline. Customer service is another area where Discover stands out. They offer 24/7 US-based customer support, and their representatives are consistently rated among the best in the industry. When you call Discover, you get a real person who actually knows what they're talking about, and that matters more than people realize. Discover also offers free FICO credit score tracking through their app, which is a handy bonus even if you don't have a Discover credit card. The limitation is ATM access. Discover doesn't have its own ATM network, so you'll rely on the Allpoint network and other fee-free options, which is still over 60,000 machines. But it's not quite as seamless as some competitors that have their own branded ATMs. Still, for the combination of cashback, high yields, zero fees, and excellent support, Discover earns its spot at number 2. And the number 1 spot goes to SoFi Bank. Over the past few years, SoFi has gone from a student loan refinancing company to one of the most complete and competitive online banks in America. And in 2026, they're leading the pack. What puts SoFi at the top is the combination of high yields and zero fees across the board. Their checking and savings account is combined into one product, and the interest rate they offer on your balance is consistently among the highest in the country. You earn interest on both your checking and savings balances, which means your money is always working for you, no matter where it sits. There are no account fees, no minimum balances, no overdraft fees, and you get access to over 55,000 fee-free ATMs through the Allpoint and SoFi ATM network. They also reimburse ATM fees if you accidentally use an out-of-network machine, which is a small perk that most banks don't offer. SoFi's app is outstanding. It brings together your banking, investing, lending, and credit monitoring all in one place. You can manage your entire financial life from a single app, which keeps things simple and organized. Direct deposit perks are another big advantage. If you set up direct deposit with SoFi, you can get your paycheck up to 2 days early. For many people, that alone is reason enough to make the switch. Beyond banking, SoFi offers investment accounts, crypto trading, personal loans, student loan refinancing, and even insurance marketplace tools. The breadth of what they offer under one roof is unmatched by any other online bank in America. Customer support is solid, with live agents available 7 days a week. And SoFi is FDIC insured, so your deposits are protected just like they would be at any traditional bank. For the combination of best-in-class interest rates, zero fees, an all-in-one financial platform, early direct deposit, and a fantastic app experience, SoFi Bank takes the number 1 spot on this list. And that's your top 5 best online banks in America for 2026. Whether you go with the all-in-one experience at SoFi or the cashback perks at Discover, the key is finding the bank that fits how you actually use your money. Don't forget to check the affiliate links in the description. It really helps the channel grow. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this one.